Hey guys, this is Andrew with MyWatchAddiction.com bringing you my Watchgang Black Subscription unboxing for January 2018. If you remember last month, I received 2 Watchgang Black subscriptions. This month is going to be very much the same with the exception of my second Black subscription is stuck in the snow somewhere thanks to tracking. I don't quite know where it is. Hopefully it shows up tomorrow and we can get that one torn into you for you also. This guy though, we're going to tear it open tonight, see what it is, and then I'll come back over the weekend. We'll do a deeper dive into the watch, see what we can find out about it, and go from there. Before I get started though, guys, can you do me a favor? Down there in the right-hand corner of the screen is that subscribe button. Go ahead and smash that little guy so you can follow us on into the future. With some recent changes with YouTube, it's really, really important for me if you guys go ahead and subscribe. I absolutely would appreciate it. Anyway, guys, let's tear this open and get it started. So, as I mentioned, this month I'll be getting 2 Watchgang Black subscriptions, very similar to last month, and in addition to the 2 Watchgang Platinum subscriptions and the Watchgang Centum subscription that I expect in this month as well. Alright, so as you can see, we have a box inside of a box. And we have our partner cards, which are no longer partner cards. We don't need to talk about that. January Platinum, 2018 Centum, original and black cards, all right there. And then we have a box. No name, no anything on the box. It's a box in a box. So let's open this guy up and see what we have. And we have, I'm not going to be able to pronounce this, a two rula, is that how you pronounce it? Guys, post up in the comments how I pronounce the name of this watch company so that I have it right for this weekend. But opening this guy up, and finally, guys, it's a metal band. So it looks like we have a mesh band, 2 rula. So guys, we're going to come back over the weekend and we're going to take a closer look at this. Ooh, nice. One thing to point out real quick on this watch, this is an auto. So black subscription with an auto, that's a plus. I'll come back over this weekend and take a much closer look at this watch and see what I can find out about it. If anybody's trying to figure out what watch I'm wearing right now, just as a different note, I started this video and realized I didn't have a watch on because I just got changed from work, and I threw this Brita on, which was sitting in my collection of things to look at in the future, but I realized very quickly that this is a fake dial in this Brita. It's not a real chrono, so we're not even going to bother taking a look at this watch in the future. This is a Brita. Don't even know what model it was. It was something that came in on a mystery box that I got. Fake dial, fake buttons, won't be reviewed on this channel. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, you can always follow us on Instagram at Instagram/watchaddiction.us. Guys, I would really appreciate it if you subscribed, commented, liked, anything to let me know that you guys are out there, that you guys are listening, and that you guys want to see more of this content into the future. Anyway, guys, have a great week. Hopefully we'll be back tomorrow night with possibly another black, possibly a platinum subscription, or possibly even my Centum subscription for January 2018. But thank you guys for sticking around and taking a look at this Watchgang Black subscription unboxing for January 2018.